Every time you read that phrase, weeping and gnashing of teeth, is coming from Jesus, telling his people, you be careful. You make sure you're a Christian, you make sure you follow me. My friend, God wants to protect us from making bad decisions. So what's the message today? Be ready. Jesus is coming soon. Very soon. Be ready. Do your part. Serve him. But don't live as though he's not coming. You see, when you begin to live life in a very immoral manner, when you begin to commit sin as though there are no consequences, you are falling into the lies of Satan. What you believe in Jesus, how you follow Jesus, is of utmost importance. It will impact your eternity. What is my point number 2? He wants you to persevere. What do we mean by he wants you to persevere? Let's continue reading, right? Matthew 24, verse 6 and 8. Everybody, let's read this together. You'll be hearing of wars, rumors of wars. See? Don't be frightened.